Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at the best Cowrywise mutual funds for beginners. You see, let's look at it this way. You have 5,000 naira and you want to start investing, but the words mutual funds sound confusing and kind of boring. What if I told you that Cowrywise has three simple funds that are basically on autopilot for beginners? Let's break them down so you can start today. Think of a mutual fund like a potluck party. Everyone brings their money to one big pot. A professional chef, that is a fund manager, uses this to buy a variety of dishes, which is called, let's say, stocks and bonds. You get to taste everything without having to cook all the meals yourself. That's what it's all about. You see, here are the top three for beginners. One, the Cowrywise Balanced Fund. We can also call it the set and forget champion. It is the classic 50-50 split, that is equities and bonds. Low volatility, perfect for saving for a goal 3 to 5 years away. This is your I want better returns than a savings account, but I don't want to check it every day fund. Number two, we have the Stanbic IBTC Aggressive Growth Fund on Cowrywise. We can also call it the Steady Growth Peak. With inflation trading, this equity-focused fund is for beginners with a longer timeline, for example, for like about 5 years, at least, minimum of 5 years, yeah. Who can stomach tiny dips for higher potential growth? This is for your future house down payment or retirement seed. Next, we have the United Capital Nigerian Money Market Fund, also called the Naira Shield. It is still the best place for your emergency fund or short-term cash of less than 2 years. You get higher interest than regular savings and you get instant access. And this is not for getting you rich. It's not going to get you rich. It's just for keeping your money safe and working a little. So open the Cowrywise app right now. Don't even invest yet. Just go to the investments option from the home page. Click on investment. So look up these funds there, these types of investments. You see the Naira, the dollar on, look them up. Then click on them to know more about them. Look at their returns. So once you're satisfied, then you invest. So here's a rule of thumb for you. Emergency cash should be kept in the money market. Mid-term goals should be in the balanced fund. Long-term dreams should be kept in aggressive growth. So pick one, start with as little as 1,000 naira and set up automatic funding. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right after you like this video and subscribe for the next tip. See you in the next one.